In today's quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to connect your Apple TV 4K first, second or third generation to your Pioneer Xumo TV properly, and also choose the best settings for your Apple TV and the Xumo TV so that you can enjoy entertainment with the best possible picture settings. So let's get started. In the first step, we will connect our Apple TV to our Xumo TV using the HDMI cable. Make sure it's a high-speed HDMI cable so that it can transfer 4K signal. Then plug the power cord into your Apple TV and connect it to power. After that, your Apple TV should turn on by itself, which will be indicated by the white LED, and your TV may switch to it on its own. And you can always find your Apple TV in the Inputs row. Just press the input button on the Xumo TV remote and choose your Apple TV. But there's a few more important settings that you need to check. So open the settings of your Apple TV box, go to Video and Audio, and in case your Pioneer Xumo TV supports Dolby Vision, select Enable Dolby Vision and then try Dolby Vision. Your screen will go black for a few moments and now you can see it says Dolby Vision. Press OK to save. Then go down to Format and make sure you have chosen 4K Dolby Vision or 4K HDR 60 FPS. Now that we have chosen the highest possible quality on our Apple TV, we will need to do the same on our TV settings. So open up the TV settings by pressing the settings button on the remote, go to Picture and Sound, Picture Settings, and in case you're using Dolby Vision, you can switch between Dolby Vision Dark in case you're watching in a dark environment, and bright for brighter environment. And in case if you don't have Dolby Vision support, then there will be a lot more picture mode options. From there you need to make sure it's not set to game mode by default and change it to the most accurate picture mode. For example, theater. But we are going to use our custom made best picture settings for Pioneer Xumo TV, which you can apply by watching our video on the best picture settings for Pioneer Xumo TV. And now that you have chosen the best settings possible, you can start enjoying your favorite movies and TV shows on your Apple TV. Hope you found this helpful and make sure to stay tuned for more.